Brünner Straße 192 in Vienna, or Floridsdorf, Vienna, Austria. Staircase 2. There are also staircase 4 to 7 here, but I don't have time to film them now because all of them are locked off, and also 1 to 3 are locked off, but I managed to get inside. Basement. This one also has 9 floors like staircase 3. All other staircases don't have so much floors. They are of hydraulic, and these two ones are traction. Attic. Eight Porsche 630 kilograms. Is complete by 2 Austria and maintained by TK elevator. Attic. The alarm button has been replaced, but other buttons are still original. Ground floor. That's